Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a spider web. Alright, Halloween spider web. Really easy. It's probably one of the easiest videos on the page, so let's get started, okay? So, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a dot at the center. And I'm going to pull lines out. Like that. Out. 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 Just randomly, doesn't even matter what number of lines you do. Very simple. Gonna go right here and I'm gonna just curve inward as attaching those lines. Curve inward, gonna go in that circular pattern, right? But I'm gonna kind of take it all around. So if you like learning how to draw easy Halloween drawings, there's most of them are easy on here. Some of them are a little bit harder. Most are easy. But if you want to do that, absolutely subscribe. Click the bell notification. See how it gets bigger as it goes around, and it's still kind of keeping that ultimately circular form, that circular pattern. But also remember to like the video. There are playlists on here because there are many different ways to draw a skull, many different ways to draw a witch, many different ways to draw a ghost. So hit the go check out the playlist after this because there's a bunch of different ways to draw even a web. Alright, gonna draw one more line over here, outward, way at the farthest end. Rolling in, like so. And curve out. That is really cool. Curly out over here. Curly out over here. Curly out over here. Curly out over here, and curly out over here. And that's it. It's probably the easiest video I've done on the page. Very simple spider web. If you want, you can even throw a spider on there, right? You can draw like a dot over here, draw a couple of legs out over here like that. You can draw a bunch of them all over the place. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I'll see you in the next video, right? Very soon.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both. But like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very first link that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.